Hi everybody. So the talk I will talk is about male and female students uptake in responding to corrective feedbacks. The main idea of this research is about how the student can be corrected, talking about speaking structure or all of related to English language process of learning. Well, it was the analyzing through three stages: data condensation, data display, drawing conclusion, and verification. So the idea was to have a group of students with a similar age, males and females in the same group, in the same classroom, and try to see how they respond to the corrections, males and females in both groups. So they use metalinguistic feedback occur when the teacher delivers the linguistic information about the student error without informing the correct form. The classification requests occur when the teachers indicate that they have not understood what the student said, and the teacher asks the student to reformulate their evidence within theory or program. Repetitions occur when the teacher repeats student uniformly evidence by emphasizing the directly elicit the student's error to do self-correction by asking some questions related to the student's errors, which require more than yes answer by pausing to let the student complete and reply with common words. I prefer to explain that with the tables because it's more clear for me. Either children. Okay, here we have Stephen, and we can realize about explicit corrections that were more successful than the others. You see, here we have a really high score. They can correct and they can repair language. With the request males, they fail. With the classification request, also they didn't have success. Metalinguistic elicitation repetition. So, in conclusion, means they can correct their self-mistakes when they were corrected in an explicit way. So you make the mistake, then you are corrected immediately. And in the case with females, it was a little bit different. With girls, the explicit correction also works very good. See, they will have a really high score. And with the request intense males, they have a really good high score. Look here. And with the other methodologies, it works also. So, with girls, could be a word not only explicit, it could be an explicit word. And girls can realize both their mistakes without to be corrected at this moment. They can correct themselves when they were talking, maybe some sentences, some words, intonations. So the conclusion of this research is about, girls and men, they learn at the same way, right? But this is something that is really, really true. Girls can talk underlines, or women can talk underlines. You can. So this is something that I found my personal opinion. You can talk with another girl, another woman, without words, only with your face expressions. But with men, you have to be clear. You have to say what you want you want to express. If you want to tell something to them, don't get wrong. Don't just say it, because they don't gonna know what you want if you don't say it. It's the same with language, learning a new language. So, well, according with this research, this explicit correction were more successful, and we as a teacher we have to implement that. But this is true when a student can correct themselves, aware about the process of learning is better because he's aware about anything he say, he's correcting himself anytime, trying to do the best. So that's the idea, to have students that try to learn more than we can say. So because it could be so exhaustive to correct any time that students make mistakes, but if they realize about it, could be better. Well, that's all. That's much.